giving me a lot of free game. What are the benefits of the Etsy Kings group rather than someone just purging through all your live/tweets? Bro, I'm very selective with the content that I give out here. I mean, if you've watched 5 of my live streams, honestly, you've probably watched like 25. It's kind of the same thing. Like I say pretty much the same stuff over and over again, and I hold back a lot of information. I don't give out, obviously, all of the information out there. That would be unfair to the Etsy Kings guys. So it's more like, if you don't know, you don't know. Because, but yeah, go look at the website. Look on the website, and you'll kind of understand. Because it's not just the course that you get access to. You also get access to the community, in-person meetups. We actually have one in Croatia happening in 2 months, and one in London actually happening this month. And then you also get access to, obviously, me. Whereas on this live stream, you have access to ask me basic questions, but not super, super, super good questions. And also, one thing you forget is Etsy Kings is constantly improving and evolving. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.